Another tool that I would like to show you is called PhoneInfoga. Now in a previous lecture we have seen how we can use a custom Google Doc to search whether a phone number is indexed in Google or not. So instead of using a custom search operator to search for a phone number manually, we can use PhoneInfoga to do this for us. So PhoneInfoga is basically a tool to gather information about phone numbers by generating different Google Docs that we can use immediately. So it will check whether a phone number is valid and will gather basic information about a phone number, and it will check in reputation reports, social media account, and disposable numbers. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your OSINT virtual machine, and then you want to click on the URL that you'll find in the resources of this lecture. So I'm going to scroll down, and here is the installation command. All I have to do is just to copy it like this and open the terminal as root. And then I'm going to paste this command and hit enter. And now the tool has been downloaded and installed. Next, I can use this command. I can copy this command to run PhoneInfoga from my terminal without typing the full path. So I'm going to copy it and paste it and hit enter. And now we are done. So to use PhoneInfoga, all you have to do is just to type PhoneInfoga and then -H to see the options. So you can use the scan option to search for a phone number using the command line interface, but I always like to use the serve option because it will allow me to search for a phone number from a graphical user interface. So I'm going to say PhoneInfoga and then serve and then hit enter. And now I'm going to open my browser and open a new tab and add my local IP address, which is 127.0.0.1, along with the port number, which is 5000. I'm going to hit enter. And now all I have to do is just to select the country. So in this case, I'm going to say Germany, like this. And I'm going to search for this phone number. This is a mobile phone number of a car dealership. So I'm going to copy this number like this and go to PhoneInfoga and add the phone number and click on lookup. So we can see that this phone number is valid, and we can see the local format and the international format and the country where this phone is from. Now we already know that this phone number is from Germany, but these are only basic information. If you scroll down, we can see the scanners that you can use. And if you would like to use other scanners like Non-Verify, OVH, or Google CSA, then you need to specify or add an API code. But for me, Google search is always enough, so I'm going to say run. And now it's going to generate multiple Google Docs. So if you would like to search whether this phone number has been posted on social media, then you can click on this arrow. And then I'm going to click on 0. And we can see the Google Doc that's going to be used, which will search whether this phone number has been found in one of Facebook posts. I can also click on number 1 to see another Google Doc, which will search in twitter.com. Number 2 will search in LinkedIn, and so on. Now, for me, I always like to use the general search operator because this will search for the phone number in Google search engine. So I'm just going to click on this one, and we can see that the phone number is going to be searched for in multiple formats. And all I have to do is just to click on this URL, which will redirect me to Google to find more information about this car dealership. And here we can see that there is a place called Frankfurt Auto Trade, and this is the address, and he uses this phone number. Now I can come back and use the second search operator to see if I can find anything inside of a document. And we can see that we didn't find anything. So using PhoneInfoga is very simple. All you have to do is just to add the phone number, select the country code, and use all of these search operators. And you might be able to find this phone number indexed by Google.